Hi, friends. How are you today? I hope everyone is doing fine. Hey, look where I am. Can you see what's behind me? I'm swimming underwater, friends. Anyways, can you see the fish behind me? What letter does fish begin with? The word fish begins with the letter F. And today we are going to talk about the letter F. And the letter F makes the sound Let's look at some words that begins with the letter F. The first word is flower. Flower. The next word is F for farm. Farm. The next word is frog. F for frog. Next is the word fire. F for fire. The last word for today is F for feet. Feet. Okay, friends, I hope you were paying attention to the words that begins with the letter F. This is the end of our lesson. I'll see you again next time. Bye.